Dear students, today we shall discuss about the longitude, the remaining parts of your second chapter, globe, latitude and longitude. What is longitude? Lines of reference east or west of the prime meridian, that is called longitude. What is prime meridian? 0 degree longitude. It passes through Greenwich in England. The prime meridian and 180-degree meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemispheres and the western hemisphere. 180-degree east and 180-degree west meridians are on the same line. Then longitude and time. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of the Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind it. The earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours or 1 day, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at the Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of the Greenwich will be 15 into 4, that is 60 minutes or 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. Likewise, at 15 degree west of Greenwich, the time will be behind the Greenwich time by 1 hour, that is, it will be 11 a.m. Why do we have standard time? It is necessary to add up the local time of central meridian of a country as the standard time for the whole country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time or the IST. IST is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Therefore, it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. In Russia, there are 11 standard times because it has a great longitudinal extent. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. Thus, each zones cover 15 degree of longitude. Some important things we shall discuss here again. By measuring the angle of the pole star from your place, you can know the latitude of your place. What is GMT? GMT means Greenwich Mean Time, that is time at 0 longitude. What is IST? IST means Indian Standard Time, that is time at 82.5 degree east longitude. What is prime meridian? 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich near the London, situated in England. What are the heat zones? Torrid zone 23 half degree north to 23 half degree south. Temperate zone 23 half degree north to 66 half degree north and 23 half degree south to 66 half degree south. Frigid zone 66 half degree north to 90 degree north and 66 half degree south to 90 degree south.